All right, depending on the desking system you use to write up your deals, your sales team can tell great payment stories that will help the customer choose the right set of terms, condition the customer, offer the customer additional savings, and have the customer trying to decide how to pay for the vehicle, not whether to take delivery of the vehicle. This Nissan Pathfinder, the initial terms are 24, 36, and 48. Why is that really good?
Well, it leaves you room, if the payments are too high for them, at least you room to go up in term and make the payments lower without discounting the car at all.
Gives you somewhere to go.
Yeah.
It conditions the customer by them seeing a higher payment, and on a second pencil, the extended terms are going to look that much better. How about my Bronco? My Bronco's got 36, 48, and 60. Good. Great starting terms. All right.
Hi guys.
Hey.
I just wanted to say hi. I got to run down a Nissan. Your truck will be down here this afternoon.
I'm in love with this woman. For more than one reason. Thank you.
See y'all later.
As far as the Nissan, it says on the net that it's 60 months, 100,000 miles on roadside assistance.
All right.
You even have to look at it.
Depending on the desking system, blah, 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 blah. All right. Elements of the payment stories. Every term is a great term. What's good about 36 months?
Short term.
It's a short term, yeah, but what's good about it?
Get equity quicker, own it faster.
Own it faster. And Chris, we talked about this build equity thing last time I was here. We don't use that word because customers don't understand it. I've got 1,000 comments telling me I'm a moron on YouTube because I say you can build equity in a depreciating asset. They don't understand it. All I do is tell them they can trade it sooner. They're actually building cash value in it quicker. Okay? So they can trade it sooner. What's good about 84 months?
Lower payments.
Low pay, you can always pay more.
Because
Financial freedom.
I can always pay more, but isn't there a prepayment penalty?
No.
No, there's not.
Simple interest cash.
Okay, but not everybody knows that. All right? Short-term offers savings. 0% being the exception. We don't. Is there any 0% out there right now?
Yeah, we got on our roads.
Okay, so we couldn't use that with a Rogue. All right, because the longer term is not going to save them any money. It'll help them pay it off quicker and allow them to trade sooner. Short-term offers accelerated cash value build, providing the freedom to trade or sell it sooner. Longer-term offers comfort and flexibility. So there is no such thing as a bad term. Don't offer your customers more than 3 payments. The best way to limit the number of payments is to get a cash down commitment. That way your alternative choice close is restricted to 1 column. Which cash down number is going to work best for you, Josh? 2, 4, or 6?
I wasn't even thinking 2, Steve. I was hoping 0.
Well, if you want to do 0, we'll do it any way you want us to do it, but please recognize each one of these payments will go up $40. Okay?
Okay.
Can you live with that?
Nah, let's do 2.
By the way, I gave you pens with highlighters for a reason. Now, how many payments does he have to choose from?
3.
My close becomes much easier. Josh, short term, save money, pay it off faster, trade sooner. Longer term, lower payment, financial freedom and flexibility. Midterm, best of both worlds. Please put a check mark by the one that works best for you. Okay, that right down there. We'll get your new Pathfinder ready for delivery. As opposed to, here's 9 payments. What do you want? What do you think? Which one works best for you? You got the customer trying to figure out all sorts of shit. You're making it harder for them to say yes.
Break it down for
Right. You're actually begging them to say they want to think about it. Don't worry, enough people are gonna tell you that without having to beg for it. All right, next page.